So right now we have some news related to the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. We have 5 things that change in the Tabs 10 Ultra. First up, let's talk about the standard features. Galaxy Tabs 10 Ultra come with an anti-reflective screen, and it's really awesome. And if you compare Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra with the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, you can see difference in reflection day and night. Now, according to the source, Samsung used same anti-reflective tech in the Tab S10 Ultra, which he used in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So no Gorilla Glass armor in the S10 Ultra. Now let's talk about the storage. According to the News Galaxy, Tab S10 Ultra support micro SD cards, so you can easily add more storage. And you can add a 1.5 terabyte storage card in the Tab S10 Ultra. And if we talking about the Tab S9 Ultra, the Tab S9 Ultra only support 1 terabyte storage card. Now, according to the rumors, the Tab S10 Ultra come with a biggest vapor cooling chamber, which is 1.48 times larger than the S9 Ultra. This means the Tab S10 Ultra should stay cooler, and its heating and cooling depends upon its chipset. The Tab S10 Ultra come with the MediaTek Dimensity 940 Plus. So it's a new chipset because mostly Samsung tablets use Snapdragon or Exynos chips. So this is the first time they've teamed up with MediaTek. Samsung is claiming an 18% boost in CPU performance, 28% in GPU, and 14% in NPU performance, thanks to their work with MediaTek to optimize. Now let's talk about the AI features. The Tab S10 Ultra also comes with all the new Galaxy Al features, but don't get too excited. They're also coming to the Tab S9 Ultra and even the S8 Ultra, so it's not exactly exclusive to the S10 Ultra. However, one thing that's a big deal is the software support. The Tab S10 Ultra will get 7 years of software updates, which is a huge bump from the 4 years on the S9 Ultra. So you're set to get all the latest features and updates for a long time. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe